Hey everyone, in this video we will show you how you can change the primary action button in your catalog so that you can more accurately communicate with your customers and drive your desired business results faster. So let's start by opening up the QuickSell app. Now click on the catalog that you want to change the action button for. Let's click on the edit button to open up the edit menu. Now let's click on the change action button menu item. You can see here that we have multiple action buttons that you can choose from. Let's click on the add to cart button so that your customers can see that as the primary action button on this particular catalog. Now press back and let's click on preview to preview this catalog. As you can see that the add to list button has been replaced by a add to cart button. Using this feature, you can drive more accurate business results faster. Thank you for watching.